Alright, here's a video of how this toilet flushes, or a 1981 Briggs Conserver flushes with the Mansfield handle and flush valve. Now this is a knockoff Mansfield handle. It was made by some other company and it feels like it might break. It's not a metal one. But anyway, now we got the Mansfield 210 flush valve in here, and I'm starting to think that the flapper actually works better for this toilet. But anyways, here goes. Alright. And we also have our there, finally focused. We got our Mansfield replacement handle, the blue one. We got our 210 flush valve, and we got a probably about 1981 to 85 or 86 for that matter, Fluidmaster 400A fill valve. So yeah, the seal's been changed in it. All you got to do is change the seals in it. You always have to change fill valves out unless they're not shutting off or completely gone. But yeah. Anyways, long story short. And it's still, like I said, it's filling right up to the water line. You got your water saver line right here, and then right there is the water line. So, alright, we'll give it a second flush. And you be the judge. Shit, I think I put the tank on crooked. Anyways. Yeah, it's doing the same thing in that 1970 Cadet did. But, yeah, I think we're going to change back to the flapper. I'm going to keep that older fill valve in there, though. Alrighty. That's all for now. Our 1981 Hoover line, where is it? Right there. Hoover line flush valve is going back in. I might put this fill valve back in. I'm not sure. But, yeah. So far we got a good toilet that flushes and doesn't leak.